Hello, everybody, and thanks for joining us. My name is John Rogitz from the Executive Committee of the IP Section of the California Lawyers Association. Appreciate you tuning in for our second installment of Cool AI Patents of the Month. We've got some really cool patents on tap, so let's get into it. The first one is a patent granted to KPMG, the accounting firm. It's USPN 11720842. This patent deals with tax compliance, which, as you might expect, is huge for multinational corporations. They have to operate with different tax laws all over the globe, and they need to make sure they're complying with all of those tax laws. Among the compliance issues, it's transfer pricing requirements, which basically are rules and regulations that govern the pricing of cross-border transactions between related entities under common ownership control. So, this is common when a company might have, a U.S. corporation and a Japanese corporation or a European corporation or something like that. So this patent, which is titled Systems and Methods for Identifying Comparables, uses AI and data mining to help companies remain compliant and ultimately protect them from potential tax audits when it comes to transfer pricing requirements. So this patent can basically efficiently review hundreds, if not thousands, of business descriptions, financial statements, all kinds of other things, intellectual property even, and compile a list of companies with comparable data sets to see if the company at issue is in compliance and doing things the way they should based on the way other companies are doing them. So this patent enhances the historically tedious and error-prone process by leveraging AI, automating that process, and reducing discrepancies, audits, controversies, and potential fines. This tech can also help companies with tax planning, allowing them to identify areas where change can be made to optimize their tax strategy even further. So that one's pretty cool and pretty timely since it's tax season. Next up, we have a patent to Syngin. They're an autonomous vehicle company, and the patent number is 11851-074. So this patent is directed to a large-scale autonomous driving validation system for remotely piloting AVs. So the AV itself processes its sensor data, whatever that is, LiDAR, IR, whatever it's using, and communicates the data to the cloud. That data gets processed locally by the AV and by the cloud. If the cloud detects a problem, a remote teleoperator can get involved and help pilot the AV in situations where the AV is not capable of autonomous operation. So imagine a situation where, the AV is just not able to get around an obstacle or something like that. Whatever it is, with its limited processing capability, the enhanced processing capability of the cloud can help and figure out a way around it. So one example they gave was that finding a navigable path when it becomes stuck. Another example is when the person who's in the AV and ultimately is still responsible for control of the AV becomes incapacitated for some reason. So if the cloud detects any of these problems, a remote pilot can actually come in and start controlling the AV to help ensure safety. So those are our two cool AI patents of the month for this month. And I would just like to say to everyone that these are really neat, just like the last ones. They're helping us improve our lives, improve tax compliance, improving all sorts of things like safety. And so I would just like to stress to everyone out there, keep patenting, keep inventing, and just keep going. And hopefully we can harness all this AI in a way that benefits society and maybe control a lot of the ways in which it can harm society as well. Thank you, and have a good day.